This is a device which converts a car with wired Apple CarPlay from the factory into a wireless Apple CarPlay. Also, and this is the draw, it allows you to listen to YouTube and Netflix while you are on the road in the infotainment. And that is what struck my interest because I do long commutes. It would be nice to listen to YouTube, Netflix while on the road, even more so when I have passengers aboard. This device comes with the principal unit, a USB to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. An important note, this will not work on BMW. At first, I misunderstood. I thought it turned a non-Apple CarPlay infotainment into a wired Apple CarPlay infotainment. I fumbled around a long time in my 2017 Acura TLX before I figured out the system did not function with my car because Acura did not come with wired Apple CarPlay from the factory. So I went to a friend's house and she had a Volkswagen Jetta 2017 base model, which was wired CarPlay from the factory. And the system worked. I just plugged in the AI box in the Jetta USB port, then using my on-screen navigation which appeared, I hooked up to the Wi-Fi hotspot created by my telephone.
Go into the settings, right?
And then it worked.
Go into the settings and set up for the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. On. Normally, you would go on your Wi-Fi hotspot of your phone, right? So that's how you would do it. Here we go. Let's see if this works. All right. So let's go something. Let's try TED Talks. So sometimes you're driving and you want to listen to TED Talks. So this is working. This is working. All right, let's try this. Let's try this. I'm on the road and I want to watch videos. You know you can't do that, right? When you're doing brain hack. Let's look at a brain hack. All right, so we have those stupid ads. Get the. If I put it in drive, yeah. You can drive around with this. Well, you can watch YouTube now and YouTube and Netflix while you're driving your car. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. And this is, take a look. Let's see if we have volume.
Angry because
we have volume.
I wish I knew this when I was younger.
We have volume. YouTube appeared on the infotainment screen while the car was running. Same was true for Netflix. So to recap, to make this work, first you pair your phone Bluetooth with the device. Second, when the device is plugged into your car, you set up the Wi-Fi hotspot. This critically also works when you're driving. It doesn't turn off. The device I'm currently using goes for $100 in Canada. Use the links in the description below. I am not getting paid by the company to produce this video, though they did send me a free copy of this product to use, which I will not be able to use because my Acura does not come with wired CarPlay. So I gave it to someone and they are using it and they enjoy it.